Power isn't just about missiles anymore. It's about luxury, technology, and speed beyond imagination. And no one proves that better than Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince, Mohammed bin Salman.
Yes, we're talking about Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman's incredible supercar, a vehicle that rivals fighter jets in speed and outmatches battle tanks in strength. But this video isn't just about Mohammed bin Salman. We'll also explore how modern leaders, from Turkey's Erdogan to UAE's Mohammed bin Zayed and Qatar's Emir, are showcasing their nation's power not through weapons, but through technology, luxury, and innovation.
Now, let's talk about the man whose royal ride you've been waiting to see, Mohammed bin Salman. He proved to the world that Saudi Arabia is no longer just an oil-selling country, but a future superpower, leading in technology, defense, and innovation.
Mohammed bin Salman's car isn't just a vehicle, it's a silent declaration of power. It's not available in the market, nor is there any serial model for sale. It's a custom-built masterpiece designed exclusively on royal command.
The body is made of anti-tank composite armor, capable of withstanding bullets, explosions, even rocket or RPG attacks, without losing balance or speed. And the most astonishing part, despite this heavy armor, the car moves as fast as a fighter jet. It reaches incredible speeds, powered by engines producing over 500 horsepower.
Now, let's step inside, and you'll realize this isn't just a car. It's a mobile royal command center with gold interiors, secure communication systems, and independent oxygen supply. If there's poisonous gas, radiation, or even drone strikes outside, the person inside won't feel a thing. This car is built for survival in every possible situation.